Namaste parents, I am Revti. Welcome back to my channel BumpToBrainiac. और ये है मेरी little daughter Aradhya. Today we'll do a science experiment which is very good for this age group. So we have taken the Einstein Box, my first science kit, suitable for 4 to 8-year-olds. The experiment is named Water
Fireworks.
Very good, high five. So today we'll see some fireworks in water. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. So parents, we have done some experiments in the past from this activity kit, and today we are going to try and experiment a new activity. Let's see how it goes. So we are very excited, and we'll quickly tell you the details and how you can get ready for it.
Let's get ready.
So should we get started?
Yes.
Okay. So parents, for this experiment water fireworks, we need a conical flask which is filled with
Water.
good, Aradhya ma'am. This is what beaker is filled with?
Oil.
Good. It's the coconut oil that you use on your hair.
Yes.
This is what? This is a food color. Which color is this?
Blue.
And this is which one?
Dark red.
Awesome. So what are we going to do now? First step, fill half a beaker with oil. We have done that?
Yes.
Then what are you supposed to do? You have to put 2 drops of food color. One red you put,
One drop of
and 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue.
Okay.
It's already coming out. Slowly you put it on the beaker. 1 drop. Good. Very nice. Take blue. Take 1 drop. Carefully you put. Okay. And then you have to stir it.
I'll stir.
Yeah. Stir it. So Aradhya, what did you do? See.
Look, the colors are there.
Separately. Did you see they did not mix?
They did not. I stirred it.
Yes.
Still it did not mix.
Yes. So why? I'll tell you. Now, do you want to make it?
Yes.
Do you want to do the final step now? Are you excited?
Yes.
So we'll put this oil into the water and the water fireworks. Will it make sound? Will it burst?
Yes.
If it bursts, are you scared?
No, not at all.
Okay, so let's do it. Put it slowly.
All full.
Yes, slowly. And we'll zoom it and see. Oh my God.
The colors are also falling.
Yes. So is it looking like fireworks? See, it's so beautiful. See? The colors are separate. Can you see?
Shall I stir it?
Stir it and see. It will not mix. Keep trying. Is it mixing?
No, it won't.
See. So, do you remember if you put water and then put the color, will it mix?
No.
Answer my question. Think. There you go. See. So this is our water fireworks. Wait, this is our water fireworks. Did you understand why this happened? Yes. So what you did, we put it in the oil. Okay? If you put those colors in water, did it mix? It will mix. It is water and oil. They can never ever mix. Oil is here, water is here. Is it mixing? You do whatever, it will never ever mix. This is the reason.
Yes.
That is why we saw the water fireworks.
Look.
Yes.
Did it burst?
No.
Why?
But it is looking so pretty. Blue and red. Water fireworks. You liked it?
Yes. I like it.
So parents, as you saw that this water and oil does not mix. So Aradhya, why is it looking like this? Because
there's water and oil.
So can they mix ever?
No, look
How much
ever I'm mixing. Look,
It
mixing.
will not mix.
And look down, there's blue water.
So why don't you show the parents and kids how is it looking? Why don't you show in the camera? It's looking so beautiful. Just put your hand away and let them see. Isn't it looking pretty? So parents, this was an amazing science experiment from this kit, Einstein Box, my first science kit. I'll share the purchase links in the description box below. Do check it out. We have done many experiments in the past which are there on my channel. Do check it out, and we are going to plan many more experiments in the future. This was one of the amazing experiments, water fireworks. Aradhya loved doing it, and we learned that water and oil can never mix. You put colors and then it comes out as fireworks in water. So this was a very useful science experiment. Do try it with your kids. I'm sure they are going to love it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel
BumpToBrainiac.
for more exciting educational content. Till then,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Happy parenting.